Welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on how to simplify the expression x squared plus 8x plus 16 divided by x plus 4 to its lowest term. Stay tuned as we walk through this step-by-step process together. Let's get started. To begin solving the problem, reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared plus 8x plus 16 divided by x plus 4. We need to factor the numerator. The numerator, x squared plus 8x plus 16, is a quadratic expression that we can factor. Look for two numbers that multiply to 16 and add up to 8. Those numbers are 4 and 4. So, the expression x squared plus 8x plus 16 can be rewritten as x plus 4 times x plus 4. Thus, the numerator, x squared plus 8x plus 16, is altered to x plus 4 times x plus 4. Therefore, the rational expression x squared plus 8x plus 16 divided by x plus 4 is now written as x plus 4 times x plus 4 over x plus 4. In summary, we factored the numerator into a product of x plus 4 and x plus 4. Now we move on to simplifying the expression we previously altered. We have x plus 4 times x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. Notice that x plus 4 appears both in the numerator and the denominator. We can cancel out 1x plus 4 from the numerator and the denominator because any non-zero number divided by itself is 1. This leaves us with x plus 4. Therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression is x plus 4. This completes the solution and is the final step.